Holy, holy is the Lord. Holy, holy is the Lord. Holy, holy is the Lord. Holy, holy is the Lord.
My name is Joy Porter, and I'm with Joy Porter Photography, and I get to host part of the evening tonight. It's our hope that you'll experience fellowship, enlightenment, growth, and empowerment this evening.
Oh, Heavenly Father, just thank you so much for the space that you've created just for these beautiful women. And I am so grateful for each woman tonight, for her internal and external beauty, but most importantly, for her love for you.
Okay, my name is Joy, and I'm with Joy Porter Photography, and I specialize with weddings, children, family, senior portraits. And my most recent venture is like the big seniors. I just did a photo session with my 95-year-old grandmother, which was really, really cool. So you can talk to me afterwards about photography if you like.
I'm Julia Jordan. I'm the Executive Director of the Grass Valley Downtown Association. And I brought some materials about some of the latest things that we're working on in downtown, as well as a couple of ornaments, and they are for sale. They're $13, and all the proceeds go to help us with Cornish Christmas. And then we also have some Cornish Christmas buttons, and they're $2. They're really economical, and they match any outfit. So please pick one up today.
My name is Stephanie Sherwood, and I'm a new Blessings consultant, and you may not have heard of Blessings, but have you heard of Hallmark?
Yes.
Have you heard of Daystar? Daystar is the Christian arm of Hallmark, and they have a home-based party business now. So if you're looking for Christmas gifts, holiday gifts, just because gifts, we've got beautiful stuff, and I have been invited to come up soon and do a party up here, so I'm so excited about that. And you can buy anything tonight out of the catalog. And so now I'm wearing my other hat, but I'll walk back into the center of the room. I'm Stephanie Sherwood, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of the BAM Project. And very excited that Melissa asked me to come up. I'd love to be up and visit with you guys. 3 things that I want to tell you about. The book. I know Melissa has probably had this around, but we do have extra copies if you are wanting to purchase one. These are, again, a great gift. Great way to get some shot of inspiration, and it's a quick read. It's a lot of fun. And then the other 2 things that we've got going on, and I know that it's a little bit of a drive for you guys to get down into the valley, but we do have a collaborative Christmas gathering that we are doing on Thursday, December 6th at K-Love Radio Station in Rockland. It's $20. There are going to be about 200 people there, so it's going to be a great way to network and promote your business and all of that stuff, good stuff. And then we are doing our first annual Christmas party for BAM down in Sacramento at a beautiful art studio, and would encourage several carloads of you gals to come on down and have a great time. And Walking Forward is our nonprofit for that evening.
And my name is Melissa. I'm with M3 Mall, and one of the things that M3 Mall does is we have an online shopping mall that helps nonprofits. One of our nonprofits is Sierra Nevada Community Health Plan, and what we are doing with them right now is actually co-marketing for the upcoming Beatles tribute concert that's this Saturday. Proceeds from this event will go to Sierra Nevada Community Health Plan, which also then turns and helps out Insight Imaging and Dr. Melissa Agnes to have free mammograms. Over 80 last month and 118 since we started. So if you would like to purchase your ticket tonight, I have them. Thank you.
My name is Major Martha Shepard, and I have these lovely brochures on display here. I'm with the Salvation Army, and they describe some of the volunteer opportunities that are available with the Salvation Army to be a shield. It's here in serving Nevada County.
Hi, I'm Sandy Brooke at Brooke Films. I've had the pleasure for many decades to videotape people's memories, and I kind of think of what I do as like fine wine. As the years go by, it becomes much more valuable to you. I mean, I've had brides that have lost their husband very shortly after the wedding, and A lot of the family is no longer with them very shortly after that, and I think my memories are really important, and I take a lot of pride in what I do, and I hope it shows.
When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you, and you appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful?
My name's Major Martha Shepard. My name's actually Martha. My title is Major, but I work here in Grass Valley. I actually live in Penn Valley, and we serve a lot of people in Nevada City. So we really do serve the county. We even just recently got off of a large homeless prevention and rapid rehousing grant where we helped a lot of people up in Truckee. Because a lot of people down here forget that Truckee is actually part of our county as well. So what we're actually starting kind of right now, we're kicking off a big Be a Shield volunteer program. And we have been here for about 3 years, my husband and I, and we have looked around at some of the needs that we've been addressing, and we've realized that there are certain things that people need in order to be successful. And it seems that like mostly the population we deal with is homeless people or people who are about to become homeless. We deal with a lot of low-income people, especially during the holidays, but for the most part during the year round we deal with people that stand at risk of losing their house. So you would think that if you got them a safe place to live and they were stably housed, that their life would be fine. And what we found in the last 3 years is that is not true. We administered a very large grant for Nevada County. It was $1.6 million, and we worked with 7 different agencies from Truckee all the way down to here, and we had it over a period of 3 years. And what we found is that the problem actually has gotten worse. And it's not because of the grant. I think the grant actually really helped a lot. But because of the foreclosures that are going on, a lot of people are having to close their rental houses, and that creates problems for the people that are renting those houses. And so people that have stable jobs are finding themselves 1 month away from being homeless. And so so we just kept saying to ourselves, what is it that we can do? And what we realized is that if money could solve the problem, it probably would have been solved already. But it really has to do with the fact that a lot of the people do not have a support system to fall back on. Most of us in this room, if we were homeless or our house burnt down, we would not need the Red Cross to give us a motel room to stay in. We have family that would open up their homes and houses to us. And if not family, then we have friends or a workplace that, you know, would open up their hearts to us. But a lot of the people that we deal with don't. We also realize that a lot of them deal with very poor health. And some of that we can blame on food stamps, but food stamps is, they choose what they buy. And a lot of times they choose quite poorly. I was very glad to see that food stamps now are no longer, you can't buy Monster drinks with them, because I can't tell you how many of our clients would come into interviews with a Monster drink in their hand. And so we decided that we wanted to address some of these areas, and what we're going to do is try and engage the community. And if someone is very interested in health and that kind of thing, then we're going to say, you need to be a shield for someone who has very poor health. And we are open to whatever they feel people might need. Well, we will hook you up with someone that we work with, and maybe you can teach them or mentor them.
The BAM project stands for Beliefs, Authenticity, and Message. Belief is that we believe we were created on purpose for a purpose. Nobody is here by mistake at this very moment in time. The A is the authenticity. It is so critically important that we all show up authentically. We have that nasty enemy that rolls around, and he tells us what the world thinks of us and how we perform equals our worth. And that just keeps us on the hamster wheel. It's a great big fat lie. And so when we can show up authentically as who God has created us to be, we can get off that hamster wheel. We can know that the enemy is a big fat liar and that we can take back what that is. The M is for message, and what we believe is that God's Bible, His infallible word, guides our steps. And so it's that blending of faith, personal growth, and our spiritual growth. We've just come off, we're into the second part of our second year, and we have really come to realize that BAM, if somebody said, what is one word that describes what's happening at the BAM project, what's going on with these women, the word is transformation. I could stand up here for hours on end, days on end, and tell you all of the amazing things that we have seen happen, whether we used to have women that walked in the room and had a great conversation at my table tonight at dinner, and how a woman in this room now is recognizing herself as a leader. And it is not just because of BAM, but it is that way that it allows you to reposition your mind, and it is just such an incredible place to be, and to see how these women are transforming and growing personally, professionally, and spiritually.
So my name is Melissa. I am Christopher's co-half. We've been running the deli and the catering facility for about 15 years, 15 as a catering, and then 7 for the deli now. It just has gone by so fast. We love having our event center. We feel like we've finally come full circle to what we had. So we're really looking forward to what the future holds. We've done over 750 weddings. We've done anniversary parties, birthday parties, bar mitzvahs, anything you could think of. Here, outside, number of people doesn't matter. I love a challenge. Throw it at me. Thank you.
Any question I have ever needed in the last 3 years since I've opened, you go to Julia and you know what is going on in downtown Grass Valley. So I have begged her to let me be a volunteer with her, because she does the most incredible events, and that is why I wanted you to know who she was. This is the lady that puts on Cornish Christmas that is coming up, and anyone who has a business needs to know about that, and so it will be happening. She's going to fill us in a little bit more. She does the car show that is the annual car show that just takes up all of the space, and she's let me hand out trophies there. The Taste of Grass Valley was just an absolute blast just not too long ago down at our hotel right down here. So anything that is happening in Grass Valley, this woman knows what it is, when it is, who's doing it, how much it costs, what you need to know. So what she is here to tell you tonight is what you need to know to help grow your business. And this is the most amazing lady who I have never been a member of her organization previously. She just plain wanted to help me. So now there's this new associate membership, and she'll tell you more about that. But I am now, even though I'm not in her geographic territory, I am a member of the Grass Valley Downtown Association. Please give a round warm of applause to Julia Jordan, Executive Director of Downtown Grass Valley Association.
Thank you. Talk about humbling. Thank you very much, Melissa. I appreciate it. I've always enjoyed working with her, and when I found out that she was a beauty queen, I was like, what can I have this gal do? Trophies, because I don't want to go out there and hand out trophies. And I always tell people this, and they laugh, but I always tell them, in short, I am the eyes and the ears of all the merchants in downtown. I'm the sounding board, and I get to find out exactly what they have in mind, what they want to move to, what issues they have, whatever it might be. It is my job to make sure that we resolve it, listen to it, or at least, try to do something to mediate.
Well, thank you everybody for donating and participating with the raffle. We had a great time, and we have a check here for $125. Thank you.